Hey, you guys, this is Whitney. Yeah, there's this song that's been on my brain all week, last week, and it's still in my head. I thought I got rid of it, but it's still here. And the reason why it's in my head is because I actually got this video of Lil Duval turning it into a comedy. It was so funny because he called it the Stalker's Anthem after he redid it. Now the song is called Just Friends, Sunny by Music Soul Child. And to get it out of my head, I'm going to share it with you guys and I'm going to sing it. Alright. Just part of it. So tell me if you like it. Feel free to comment. Here we go. Girl, I know this might seem strange, but let me know if I'm out of order for stepping to you this way. See, I've been watching you for a while, and I just gotta let you know that I'm really feeling your style, 'cause I had to know your name. Leave you with my number, and I hope that you would call me someday. If you want, you can give me yours too. And if you don't, well, I ain't mad at you. We can still be cool, 'cause I'm not trying to pressure you. Just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my girlfriend. I just wanna know your name, and maybe sometime we can hook up, hang out, just chill. Alright, y'all, so that was it. If y'all want to hear anything else, feel free to let me know. And I appreciate the criticism, so give me all you got.